The many useful benefits of baking soda. Baking soda is a power ingredient you likely have in your kitchen or cupboard that has seemingly endless uses. While most people think of baking soda for cooking, baking, or cleaning around the house, it can also be used in your beauty routine for your skin, hair, and more. In fact, baking soda can help you look your best from head to toe. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, looks like a crystal in its natural form, but is usually found as a fine powder. It helps kill bacteria and fungi, clean out germs, and stop swelling. Baking soda is best in small amounts, as too much can irritate your skin and hair, so always remember to do a test patch first. Here's some ways you can use baking soda to help your hair, skin, and body look amazing. Number 1. Fights acne and pimples. Forget the expensive treatments, topical creams, or patches. Baking soda can help. Since baking soda cleans germs and stops swelling, it can take away the signs of acne and other breakouts and treat the cause for them at the same time. Baking soda is mildly abrasive, so it can be used as a gentle face cleanser. First, wash your face with a mild, non-abrasive cleanser and rinse with water. Then, make a paste of 3 parts baking soda to 1 part water. Rub it in carefully in circles for a deep clean. Rinse with water. For a clarifying facial mask, mix 1 tablespoon baking soda with 2 tablespoons honey. This is an easy, effective method for treating acne. Use this mask once a week. Bonus! It also gets rid of dark under eye circles. Make 1 cup of chamomile tea, add 1 tablespoon baking soda, and mix very well. Soak a cotton pad and apply it to the under eye area. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes, rinse, and moisturize. Number 2. Brightens yellow teeth. Baking soda is the perfect mildly abrasive yet effective ingredient to make your teeth shine. Because it's slightly rough, it's a great way to physically remove plaque, the sticky film of bacteria in your mouth. Over time, a plaque buildup hardens into tartar and can lead to gum disease. Simply dip a wet toothbrush into the powder and brush as usual. Follow up with regular toothpaste as well. Do it once a day for a few days. Make sure not to use too much baking soda because it will take the protective enamel covering off your teeth. Number 3. Removes dandruff. No one enjoys itchy flakes in their hair. Baking soda is one way you can get rid of the white flakes on your scalp and hair. Just take 1 tablespoon of baking soda and rub it onto your wet hair and scalp. Leave it in for a minute and then wash it out thoroughly with water. Do this only once a week until the issue improves. Number 4. Treats dirty, oily hair. Let's face it, sometimes our hair is dirtier than we'd care to admit. Oily hair can lead to smelly hair, and no one wants that. A good way to fix this problem is with baking soda. A quick fix is to rub a generous sprinkle in your hair to absorb excess oil and absorb any lingering smells. A deep clarifying treatment is easy. Mix a teaspoon of baking soda with your favorite shampoo to remove buildup from sprays, gels, conditioners, and other products. Your hair won't just be cleaner, it may become easier to style too. For some extra volume, just add 2 teaspoons of baking soda to a regular size amount of shampoo for a killer volume boost. Number 5. Treats body odor. Most things that stink have acidic or basic odor molecules. Baking soda brings them to a more neutral, odor-free state. Dust a little under your arms in the morning. If you don't care for the powdery residue on your clothes, use stick deodorants that have baking soda. Look for ones that list sodium bicarbonate as a main ingredient. Number 6. Relieves sunburns. Because of its alkaline nature, Baking soda is great for soothing sunburns and will help stop the burning and itching. It can also help sunburn blisters dry out quickly. Fill a bathtub with cool water and a few tablespoons of baking soda and soak for about 20 minutes. Do not scrub. The baking soda will help to balance out your skin's pH level. I hope this video was useful to you. Please remember to subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks for watching.